hope you're doing well. In this tutorial I want to explain how do I change the background color when I apply. For example, here when I choose red color, so when I apply, so the background color become red, and when I for example choose blue, gray, the background color become gray when I press the apply button. And then when I come to black, so the background become black, and for example orange, the background becomes orange, you can see. And blue, background blue, and green, the background become green when I apply this. Okay, now how did I create this? Actually I want to say that I create this using PHP and HTML. Okay, HTML and PHP code are embedded together in one file, in one sublime text. I will explain those line by line, so stay tuned with us. I will explain all of those. Here is the code that actually, here is the PHP code, and this is the format of the PHP code, that how PHP code actually start with. And here before I explain this, I want to come here actually in a select option, in a select I declare the name for this select, the color. Okay, and this color actually is the name. Through this color I can access PHP. It means without this I cannot access that. So here is the color that we already select the name for this. This is optional whether you want a color, so according the color, because it is our program is about color, so I choose the name color. Now I come here again. If I set $get color, it means this color that we already choose. Okay, now if this is this, then we actually here create a variable. In PHP a variable always defined by $, C equal to this. Now what we want to access the color. Now we want to access this color here. What is actually this line? If it's a condition. The iSet function in PHP used to determine whether a variable is set or not. Our variable is set. This is our variable or not. A variable is considered as a set variable if it has a value other than null. It means if it is null, this condition will return false. If it is determined or already defined, it will return as some values. Okay, now our values here, we determined variable for this color. Okay, now what we want to do here is the method. As we know that in the form we have get method and post method. I already explained this in the last tutorials. And here select name. As we know, why we select, because we have multiple options in order the user, for example, click the red, gray, blue, so the background change. And here we use apply. Input type submit, it means whenever and value is, you can see here apply. Whenever I submit this, so the background color change according to the desire of the user. So here choose the background color. As you see, choose the background color here, and then whenever there I use the option, which option the user select. When a user select, for example, red, gray, blue, green, silver, orange, so according that the program change. It actually is it. If, for example, here, if it is, okay, if it is, now this is our variable here is our variable, and it's equal to color. Whenever someone, for example, select red, the system knows that he or she selected red. Whenever he or the user select gray, so the system knows that it is gray. As I